Hi, Ivana here from the Walnut Fund. Today I'll be showing you how to complete the checkout process on our website. First of all, you need to log into your account. If you don't have one, make sure to create one. On the Invest Now page, select the number of trees you'd like to purchase and click Invest Now. The first step is to fill out the client information. It's important that you provide the correct information as the contract will be written up according to the information provided. Once you've filled in the information, click Continue. The next step is to read through the contract and at the bottom check that you agree with the terms and services. Click Continue. The last step is choosing a payment method. There are two options available. The first is a direct bank transfer and the second is PayPal. If you choose to check out via PayPal, there will be an additional fee added to your total to compensate for the PayPal transaction fees. If you decide to pay via bank transfer, you will be presented with all the information necessary to complete your payment process. Once you've initiated the payment process, you'll automatically receive a signed copy of the contract, which will become valid once the payment has been processed. If you've paid via bank transfer, once your payment has been verified, it will show up in the completed section of the orders page. For clients who have previously made reservations, you can complete your order by heading over to the Orders tab and completing the order process as shown previously.